Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Kevin. This is my wife. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley. All right, Kevin and Ashley Funk. And today we're gonna have a fun video. It's a versus video, and we are gonna be comparing burgers. So I've got myself here a beef patty that I made this morning, and we're gonna go up against a veggie burger.
I'm doing the spicy black bean burger.
And what brand is that?
Morningstar Farms.
Like, you didn't make that yourself, obviously.
No, I don't make food.
You know, she doesn't make food.
No.
Now, to keep this thing completely fair, we've topped it with the exact same ingredients, and we've gone purist on this and kept it as simple as possible with the raw red onions, some cheddar, marble cheddar, and lettuce. I love burgers with just cheese and onions, but we've added the lettuce. Green looks great. And we've done Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This is my favorite stuff outside of homemade. What's it? Why do you like veggie burgers?
Honestly, I never did like veggie burgers until you started making them.
Oh, well, I didn't make this. So.
That's okay, that's why it'll be interesting, because I love veggie burgers because of yours. But now I'm trying to learn more about veggie burgers.
But you're not a meat person.
I'm not a meat person.
No.
By any means.
But you're gonna try this.
Yeah, for sure.
And you're gonna give honest opinion.
Absolutely.
There we go. All right, so we're gonna test these things out, and we're gonna head to head. Here they go. Give her a go, Ash. You'll start this thing off.
Is there ketchup?
There's no ketchup. There's no ketchup. I don't even.
Told you, I'm picky. I'm the worst.
Did you even get any patty in that? 100% bun on that bite.
I have a very big mouth.
Brioche buns. Love them. How is it?
I have to chew it.
All right, I'm gonna take a bite while she chews over here. I'm gonna take a bite of this thing.
It's good.
That's not bad at all.
Well, I really like it.
That's good. Yeah.
It has the flavor of meat. Definitely a different texture. But I like the spiciness.
Anything on my face?
No.
It's weird. I totally disagree. It doesn't taste like meat at all, but it does taste good. I don't think it's supposed to taste like meat. It definitely tastes the spices in the black bean. It tastes good. Not like meat though. But
I think I'm thinking more like the spices of what you would put in a meat patty.
right,
That I'm tasting.
right. But it doesn't have the fat.
I want another bite. That's really good. I think we should try to make our own version of this.
Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, so flip it over. It looks so unappealing like that.
Well, do that way then.
Beef time. Okay, this is mine. We made this one, so we're gonna have fun trying to eat that. But
Okay.
open up wide. Why are you taking the lettuce off?
Well, because it was gonna go down my face. Okay, I'll put it back in. No, I'll leave it. I'm trying to find the right spot where I can get my mouth around
Yeah,
it.
it's very important. Pick the spot.
No,
Okay, go. What do you think?
it's good. It's really good.
Good.
Tastes
Don't
like meat,
don't give
obviously.
me your final verdict here yet. I hope I like this one better than that one, but
So you have a big mouth, you can get it around.
dude, that's me.
I prefer that one.
You do?
I do. I like the spicy. I'm a very spicy person.
No.
If you would have put a bit more spice, I probably would have liked yours. But no, I still like that one. I feel like this one has a little more flavor.
Which one does?
The veggie. The bottom.
Sorry, which one has more flavor?
The black bean.
Really? Wow.
Veggie one.
Trying to run a food channel here, and store-bought's got more flavor than the
I
homemade.
told you, I'm the wrong person to invite here.
No, my verdict is meat because I think nothing can replace the meat flavor. I love that, but top marks this veggie burger.
Yeah,
is
really, really good.
It's good. But the thing with the veggie burger too, I find, is it's taken this barbecue sauce, I put quite a bit on there, so it's you're tasting a lot of the barbecue sauce, and I'm getting the spices from the patty, but
I like the spices.
the actual patty itself, it's just taking the flavors of whatever you top that burger with. That's kind of why we went with a very limited amount of toppings too, because I've had those veggie burgers and Beyond Meat burgers and stuff at restaurants, and people ask, oh, how does it taste? I'm like, it's good, but I tasted a whole lot of tomato or ketchup. But in this, with the beef one, I find you still get that. You can't avoid that flavor from the meat.
No, this is a classic burger.
Yeah.
Classic. You will never not like that burger. I think I like the spiciness.
9 times out of 10, I'm going with the beef if I'm ordering it. But I will order that to mix it up.
I think this might be the first veggie burger I've eaten that's not yours.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
I still think yours is better.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right, so that's our verses. Both awesome in their own way. She takes veggie, I take meat. Kind of saw that coming. I was kind of hoping that I could convert her. Maybe I'll try a little harder next time to do something different. But 1 win each.
1-1.
It's not a loss.
No.
They both are winners.
It's good. You're lucky you found something that I will enjoy both versions of.
I think the kids will like that too.
Well, this one's mine, so.
All right, well, see you later. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.